Yo, what is up, guys? It's Devontae Graves back again with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about lead lightning. And as you can see, I'm just here just chilling in my back office, and I'm going to just show you why you absolutely need lead lightning to promote any type of business that you're in. So let's say if you might be an MCA or whatever business you want to promote, whatever business you want traffic to, whatever business you're in that you're currently trying to receive income from, lead lightning is something that you absolutely need in order to get to that point that you want to be. And for various reasons, because it's a marketing system, it's a perfect combination, So what I'm gonna do is lead lightning. You can get this ball rolling at a $7 $7. So as you can see, you got referral link B, which will promote lead lightning. It will promote your primary business, and let's say you have an MCA link or whatever link to your business, whatever presentation to your business, whatever you want to get your leads coming to. I found a link right here, like an MCA link. I'm not currently in MCA, but you get the picture. You would take your link, copy, you can paste it right here and click update, and it's just that simple. You can click update and you can just have your leads come to referral link B, and as you can see, it promotes your primary business like I just showed you. And basically they get your emails, and your emails are going to be talking about lead lightning and your business. So that's very powerful as well. And it's better if you upgrade as well, because every sale you get, it's a $6 commission at this level. And if you upgrade, you can make unlimited amounts of capture pages. You can do custom capture pages, you can do custom autoresponders, the whole 9 yards. So, and you get higher commissions, you get residual income, you see everything that you get here. So I plan on upgrading as soon as possible. I earned my first sale 3 days into signing up in lead lightning, so I plan on upgrading in the near future. Let me actually, I'm not going to check that out right now, but lead lightning is where you want to start off at, wherever you are at financially, wherever you can look at the features you get, and you can determine where you want to, where you want to start off at. And they even offer great training as well. They offer great training and unlimited amounts of sales funnels. Is very, very cool. I definitely want to get that, because I'm getting tired of the generic, the one and generic capture paste that they give you. So I plan on upgrading in the near future. And lead lightning and power lead system, they're the same thing. You need that in your business model, so you can get your business. It's like the backbone of your business, because when you join MCA, they don't give you anything like this. They don't give you a marketing system like the one lead lightning power lead system provides you with. And you get a residual income as well. You get an opportunity. It's a great starting point if you're never done the online marketing thing. This is the perfect starting point. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the inside.